In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bing Translator not working. So if the Bing Translator does not work, then you need to either update your web browser, clear the cache or disable browser extensions among other things to get Bing Translator back to normal. So let us take a look at the solutions. The first one is update your web browser. This may be the reason why the audio from Bing Translator is acting up would be due to your web browser. So updating your web browser may solve the issue. So you have to always use the browser that is up to date. And number two is clear your web browser's cookies and cache. So for this you have to go to the browser setting options, and here in the left corner you will see the options called cookies and site permissions, and from here manage and delete cookies and site data. From here you can clear your web browser's cookies and cache, and this may work. So number three is disable all web browser extensions. So if you are using any extensions for your browser, you have to remove all the extensions, and from here you can see the option of extensions. So if you are using any extensions, please disable that extensions from your browser. So number four, use an alternate browser. If the above information fails to solve the problem you are facing with Bing Translate, then we suggest using a different browser. For example, if you are using Chrome, then switch to Edge and see. It is one of the best web browsers available right now. And number five is disable VPN or proxy software. For searching this option, you have to click the Windows and I button together, and this will take us to the Microsoft settings, and from network and internet option you have to click on it, and in the left side you will see a VPN option, and from here you have to disable the VPN connections or any proxy software options, and that's how you can fix Bing Translator not working problem. So I hope this is helpful for you, and thank you.